How to fix shared album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, tap on iCloud Photos. Scroll down and turn on the Shared Albums feature at the bottom. This will allow you to create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's shared albums. Following these steps, you can easily fix shared album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.